Okay, you gotta start with the ball. Okay, now put it down.
Now I gotta roll it. Whoa.
We'll scoop all the snow up and make a ball. There you go. Keep going.
It's hard. I'm gonna make a snowball.
Well, you gotta put it in the yard, silly, and then roll it.
Dang. It blacked out.
Okay, I'm closing the door. It's too cold. Oh, now where'd she go? Crazy girl, I can't see you over there.
I'm gonna eat the snow. Ah.
As long as it's not yellow. Ew, don't eat the snow. Look, you got the whole, scrape the whole thing. Come on, you can make a big snowman.
Oh my god.
Get it all together. There you go. You got the whole deck to scrape. You got tons of it.
Yeah, but it won't go into a ball.
Well, you have to make it into a ball, honey.
How?
Come here. Come inside for a second. I'll show you.
Look.
Let's see it.
This is my little house. I'm on top of my house. Watch this.